Welcome back, students. Hi, we're going to be practicing our decimal reviews. Today we're going to be dividing decimals. Okay, so our objective is I can add, subtract, multiply, and divide decimals to the hundredth using concrete models or drawings and strategies based on place value, properties of operation, and or the relationship between addition and subtraction. Today we're really going to focus on dividing decimals, and we're going to be using drawings with base 10 place value. All right. Which box doesn't belong? So pause the video and you're going to say which box you think doesn't belong. All right. Which box did you think doesn't belong? Please write it in your notebook and explain why you think it does not belong. All right. Let's keep it on with our dividing decimals. Last week we worked on dividing decimals using base 10 blocks. Today we're going to continue practicing using reasonableness in order to solve division word problems with decimals. Reasonableness is just using what you know about math and numbers in order to solve problems. Okay, so here's our problem. Chloe has a piece of yarn that is 2 8/10 meters long to make her hair bows. Each bow uses 0 7/10 of a meter of yarn. How many bows can she make from the 2 8/10 meters of yarn? So here's her yarn. She's so excited about making it. So the first thing I think, what do I know when I look at these numbers? What do I know about them? Like, what would it be if I took away the decimals? 28 divided by 7. Oh, 4, right? Well, we have a decimal, so we have to figure it out. All right, so here are my two holes. So I drew my two holes, and then I have my 8/10. But I need to put them in groups of 7. So when I put them in groups of 7, I could actually circle the group of 7. So here's one group of 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's one group of 7. And then I can take this one and I would move it over here. Whoop, let me go back. And then I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to take these 3 and put it over here with that one. So now I have 4 groups of two groups of 7 with 4/10 left over. And then I could count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that would I would now have 3 groups of 7/10. And then I would bring these 3/10 over with the 4/10, which now makes me have 7/10. Okay, so this is what we know. We know in total we have 2 8/10. We know we're dividing or breaking them up into 7/10. And you just heard me think through how we would have 4 groups. Okay, so first I did my reasonableness. I thought about what do I know about the numbers. Then I worked through the problem using my drawings. All right, now boys and girls, it's your turn. Chloe finds another piece of yarn that is 3 5/10 meters long. How many bows can she make if each bow takes 7/10 of a meter? Now what I want you to do is I want you to pause the video. I want you to draw the picture of 3 5/10. And then I want you to put those 3 5/10 into groups of 7/10. How many groups will you have? That will let you know how many bows Chloe can make. Okay? Welcome back. What answer did you come up with? Yes, you should have come up with 5 groups. All right, today you are going to continue your work with base 10 block drawings to divide decimals. So here's a picture to remind you. All right, boys and girls, you're going to click on Miss Brown or Miss Wright's e-class page. You're going to make sure you practice drawing with the base 10 blocks and breaking them up into groups or breaking them up into temps. All right, have a great day.